Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I like to think of myself as a gourmet, but as much as my repertoire is pretty vast, there are still many dishes that I never tasted, like this famous Canadian Prairie dessert, flapper pie. David introduced me to it, and I have to say, it's quite light and delicious, with a nice creamy custard sitting in a graham cracker crust and then topped with a lovely meringue. This is a must-try for the summer. So let's get cooking. Without going over it again, here's my homemade graham cracker crust recipe, and the link is located on the top right corner of your screen. The only thing we'll do is to keep about 1 tablespoon of the crust mixture as a topping for later, alright? So we'll transfer the crust to the fridge until needed. Now we'll go ahead and make the filling. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add milk, granulated sugar, then cornstarch, boy that thing is messy, followed by 3 egg yolks. Do you notice that there's always one that breaks? Some pure vanilla extract and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely mixed and bring the mixture to a boil. As we continue whisking, we'll see that the filling is getting thicker, and we'll keep doing that until the consistency resembles pudding. Not as thick, but pretty close. That should take about 3 to 4 minutes. After there's no strength left in our arm, we'll remove from the heat and allow to cool for a couple minutes. When it's time to assemble, we'll pour the pudding into the prepared crust and level it out with a spatula. Now, just like when making a lemon meringue pie, we'll sprinkle on some cornstarch on top of the pudding. What it does is it helps to absorb some moisture and make the meringue stick to the filling. It's a good trick to know. We don't need much, just enough to lightly cover the top. Next, we'll add the meringue and push it all the way to the edges of the crust. I didn't show you how to make it because there's a full tutorial on it, showing you step by step how to make the perfect meringue. So click on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Although I checked the weather forecast that day before filming this recipe, I couldn't understand why the meringue wasn't setting up properly. While it was in the oven, it starts raining. So, as mentioned in tip number 10 in the perfect meringue tutorial, it's super important that the day you're making the meringue is not humid. Otherwise, it won't form stiff peaks due to the moisture in the air. It wasn't that bad, but could have been higher. And as they say, the show must go on. So now we'll evenly sprinkle on the graham cracker crust mixture that we reserved earlier. We'll transfer the pie to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 10 minutes or until the meringue is golden brown. We'll remove from the heat and place the pie on a wire rack for 1 hour to cool completely. 60 minutes later, we'll transfer to the fridge uncovered for 3 hours before serving. And my friends, this is our flapper pie. This tasty dessert is the perfect summer sweet treat. With a yummy vanilla pudding topped with meringue, this Canadian classic is sure to please everyone. This is certainly a must for this season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!